Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Aura frame. First, let's get your beautiful new frame up and running. Simply unbox it and plug it into a power outlet. Next, grab your smartphone and download the Aura Frames app from your App Store. Once installed, open the app to create your account and follow the easy on-screen instructions to connect your frame to your home's Wi-Fi network. This initial setup usually takes less than 5 minutes. Now that your frame is connected, it's time to fill it with cherished memories. Using the Aura app, you can easily select photos directly from your phone's gallery or link to cloud services like Google Photos. A fantastic feature is inviting up to 10 family members or friends to contribute their own pictures, making it a shared experience. You can also organize your photos into custom albums within the app for a more curated display. Personalizing your frame's display is simple and fun. Within the app, you can adjust how long each photo appears, typically from 10 seconds to several minutes. You can also select from a variety of elegant slideshow transitions to enhance the viewing experience. Furthermore, easily set a sleep schedule for your frame, perhaps from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., and adjust the brightness to suit your room's lighting, ensuring it's perfect day or night. Beyond the basics, Aura Frames offer some clever features. Smart cropping automatically adjusts photos to fit the frame's aspect ratio, ensuring no important details are cut off. Many models allow you to interact directly with the frame using simple touch gestures, like swiping to change photos. You can also manage multiple frames from one account, making it easy to share memories with loved ones, even if they live far away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.